Nako, ewan ko na lang talaga kung di ka pa rin nakakapag-Jiangnan until now. Ngayon, meron na din silang recently open branch here at the NU building sa SM Mall of Asia, ang spacious and maaliwalas. Isa kasi talaga yung Jiangnan sa nasa top ng list namin when it comes to sulit and masarap na hot pot place with exceptional service and the best hot pot dipping sauce. Solid rin yung mga broth nila, and guys, super daming pagpipilian sa meats, sides, balls, and veggies. Ikaw na lang talaga yung susuko. May grill option rin sila, but this time nag-hot pot lang kami. Lahat ng branch may sauce bar, so you can make your own, pero okay na okay kami sa signature sauce nila palagi eh. And kapag nasa Jiangnan talaga, yung pinaka sinusulit ko dito is their USDA beef and lahat ng favorite kong mushroom and balls. Yung beef, as always, tender, succulent, and sakto yung fat to meat ratio. Good quality balls. Tapos yung favorite ko talaga dito, kasi sobrang mushroom lover ako, yung wide variety of mushroom options. May mga cooked sides rin naman sila, like itong fried